So this is the Assin Endwa Community Centre. It's got two polling stations. This is polling center A and then polling center B. Polling center A has 382 people on the register. Center B has 383 on the register. I mean, the electoral commission staff, they've been here very much in earnest. They have been here on time. By 5:30 they were here, and you can see from afar that they are getting ready to start the process, which should be at 7 a.m. There isn't any delay at all. People from the community have thronged the community center to be able to cast their vote. I'm just going to go a bit closer to them. From your shot, you can see and that they are already lined up. The oldies are here in this long queue, ready to cast their vote. Mommy, good morning.
Morning.
Me pacho, I didn't know about them, sir.
Pacho, about to know.
Hunting about them. About we no, who expected bibi efrimu ana de na mo pese mo ye regarding about na mo kwa akoto no.
Pacho, me mother ati any ye benya bibi papa nso mo mu aboa man.